Today we're talking about rules of exponents. But we have to multiply a to the fourth power times a to the third power. We can write the factors of a to the fourth power as a times a times a times a, where there's 4 factors, times the factors of a to the third power, a times a times a. When we're multiplying a to the fourth power times a to the third power, this equals a to the seventh power. We can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a's. So in other words, a to the fourth power times a to the third power. When we're multiplying powers with the same base, in this case the base of this power is a, and this power is a. When we're multiplying exponents with the same base, we have to add the exponents. A to the seventh power. So the product of powers property says that to multiply powers with the same base, you add their exponents. So for example, if we have x squared times x cubed, do these powers have the same base? Yes, x is their common base. That means we have to add their exponents. So x squared times x cubed is equal to x to the fifth power. We have to multiply 3x times 5x to the fifth power. Our common base would be x. What's the exponent on this x right here? 1. It's an invisible 1. So this is 1 power. And the exponent on this x is 5. So our common bases are the x. That means that when we're multiplying this, we multiply 3 times 5, we get 15, and then x, 1 plus 5, that means 15x to the 6th power. So we only add the exponents when they have a common base. To divide powers with the same base, subtract the exponents of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. So do we have the same base here? Yes, our base is 6. We have to subtract the exponent in the denominator from the numerator. So that means 8 minus 5, 6 to the third power. And this is like what we did when we were simplifying our fractions. So if we have 6/8, this is 6 to the 8th power over 6 to the 5th power. Now we cancel. How many 6's are we left with? 3. If we have to use the quotient of powers property to simplify, what would we say? x9 minus 3. They have the same base, that means we can subtract their exponents. X to the 6th power. If we have 4x to the 8th power over 10x squared, do our exponents have a common base? Yes. What about 4 and 10? Can we simplify 4 and 10? They're both divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then we can say x 8 minus 2. So we're left with 2/5, or 2x to the 6th power over 5. If we need to simplify 3m to the 5th power times m squared divided by 6m cubed, we need to start with the numerator and use the product of powers property. So 3 times 1 would be 3, 5 plus 2 would be 7 over 6m cubed. Now we can simplify 3 and 6 by dividing by 3. We get m to the 7th over 2m cubed. Now we can simplify our powers. They have the same base. We can say m to the 7 minus 3 over 2 is equal to m to the 4th over 2.